Good morning. This video lecture is for class 7th and this video lecture is for your speaking class. The topic that we are going to cover in your speaking class will be antonyms and this is lecture 1 for the same. So without wasting time, let's quickly start and let's know what antonyms are or what do we mean by actually the antonym words, right? So we'll start with the first slide. Okay, antonyms. I'm going to introduce you or tell you the meaning of the word antonym. What actually the word antonym means, right? A word that means the opposite of another word. So what are antonym words? They are exactly the opposite of the word given. So a word that means the opposite of another word are termed as antonyms. Clear to everyone? Moving ahead. In Hindi, we call them Vilom Shabd, Vipray Shabd, Vipritarthak Shabd, right? So in Hindi, the word antonym is known as Vilom Shabd. You must have studied Vilom Shabd. You must have studied Vipray Shabd of Vipritarthak Shabd. They are exactly the antonyms, okay? And I think you people are more familiar with the word Vilom Shabd, right? Okay, so there is a list of 50 antonym words which I have accumulated for you people to learn so that you will have no problem when in a comprehension passage you are asked the antonym of so and so word. It will be very easy for you to relate and for you to understand what actually the antonym of the word is, right? So I'll quickly read them for you all. Let's start. The first one is achieve, fail, afraid, confident, ancient, modern, arrive, depart, arrogant, humble, attack, defend, blunt, sharp, brave, coward, cautious, careless, complex, simple. So aren't they easy to learn? Yes or no? So achieve means to fail, as you people very well know. Confident, ancient, modern. Arrive means to come. Depart means to go. Arrogant, someone who's very arrogant in talking. Humble, the one who talks very politely. Attack, to attack someone. Then defend, when someone defends himself. Blunt is very blunt. And then sharp, you people know the knives are very sharp. Brave is a person who's very brave to just do anything. Coward is a person who is not that much brave. Cautious, careless, complex, simple. So we are going to read ahead more words, right? So moving to the next slide. Crazy, sane, crooked, straight, demand, supply, destroy, create, divide, unite, drunk, sober, expand, contract, freeze, boil, full, empty, generous, stingy. Clear to everyone? Moving ahead. Giant, dwarf, gloomy, cheerful, individual, group, innocent, guilty, knowledge, ignorance, liquid, solid, marvelous, terrible, noisy, quiet, partial, complete, passive, active. Another set of 10 antonym words: permanent, unstable, plentiful, sparse, positive, negative, powerful, weak, praise, criticism, private, public, problem, solution, professional, amateur, profit, loss. Then the next one, quality, inferiority. Okay. Next, random, specific, rigid, flexible, shame, honor, simple, complicated, single, merit, sunny, cloudy, timid, bold, toward, away, tragic, comic, transparent, opaque. Another set of 10 words: triumph, defeat, union, separation, unique, common, upset, relaxed, urge, debtor, vacant, occupied, voyage, definite, villain, hero, wax, vain, wealth, poverty. So aren't they easy for you people to learn? Isn't it? Yes or no? Okay, so you all must be wondering, right? What does the word deter means? Deter means discouraged. Okay, so urge means courage and deter means discouraged. So the word deter means discourage. Clear to everyone? Okay, so moving to the next slide. Classwork that we are going to do together in the class. To read aloud all the antonym words. All these 50 antonym words will be read aloud in the class along with me. Okay, so we'll be doing that together. Then next, to explain the meaning of all the words. So all the meanings, the words will be explained to you right now. The way I told you the meaning of the word deter, that means discourage. So if you have any problem in any word or any doubt in any word that you have not understood, then you can ask me in the online class. Is that clear to everyone? So then we'll have a quick explanation of the meaning of the words in which you people are having doubt. Clear to everyone? Moving to the next slide. Homework, which is very important for everyone to do. Then only we can have a good speaking class. To learn the spelling and the antonym of all the words. So you have to learn the spellings also of all the words, because while I was doing the correction of your test papers, what I came across is that you people are writing a lot of you people are doing a lot of spelling errors, right? So you people are doing a lot of spelling mistakes. So I want you people to learn the spellings of the antonym words, and of course the opposite of the words also you have to learn. Is that clear to everyone? So this is your homework. Your homework is to learn the spelling and the antonym of all the words. Clear to everyone? I hope everybody will do the homework and they will not disappoint me, right? Okay, thank you. Thank you. Have a nice day. Hope you people enjoyed the class. We'll be meeting you people next week with something new and interesting. Okay? Thank you.